Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the project we're making today. It's this little Tic Tac holder, as you can see. So it's just really simple, really cute to make. So let me show you what I did. So we have here in the scoreboard a piece of purple posy that measures 5.5 inches by 4 inches. And we're going to score at 2 1/4 inches on either side. So that's 2 1/4 here, and then we're just going to turn it around 180 and 2 1/4 there. Okay, and that is all the scoring we're going to do with that scoreboard at least. Okay, and then we're just going to use our bone folder quickly to just going to use it to fold all of our score lines, as you can see here. I'm just giving them a good fold. So now we have the start of our little wallet, and we're going to do some decorating next. So I'm going to bring in my pieces, and these are the Artistry Blooms Designer Series paper, and I'm going to be using these two, I think, for the outside of my box. Yeah. So these pieces, they measure 3 3/4 by 2 inches, but all the measurements will be on the blog post on my website, and you can find the link to that in the description box below. So we're just gonna put these on all 4 of our places here. So I'm filming this project in the middle of February. It's the 11th of February today when I'm filming this, and we've got a lovely sunny day, which is much appreciated. We've got snow all over the ground, but we've been very lucky this week. When I've had to go out, the snow has stopped, and though we were predicted to have heavy snow in Lincolnshire, we didn't get snow that was heavy enough to close the roads down or to close the vaccination centre down. But I had to take my mother to have her COVID jab first thing on Tuesday morning, and I was really scared that I might not be able to get the car out, but it was fine. I covered her the night before, and then I was actually able just to brush all the snow off her. I just took a brush and just brushed it off, and I was actually okay. And now it's melting because we've got lovely bright sunshine, which I'm very happy about, because I'm not a mad one for the snow. It looks pretty, yes, but it's too cold, and I prefer to see some sun. Okay, so there we've got our 4 pieces on like that. Now I've got 2 little pieces here for the binding for the spine, and I'm just going to stick those down as well. Put one there, and then also having this designer series paper on all over it like this just helps to give it a bit of extra strength as well. So there you go. There's your designer series paper down everywhere. Okay, and now I just need to take the Tic Tacs out of this one because I don't have a second lot of Tic Tacs. So I'm just going to gingerly take this bow off. And then you can see here I've got the Tic Tacs in here. So I'm just going to take them out gently. Okay, so taking the Tic Tacs out, now I'm going to show you. I have here a piece of purple posy paper, and this measures 2.5 centimeters. So I don't know what that is in inches. Let's see, in inches this would be 1 inch, just over 1 inch. And it's basically a scrap from cutting this off. And then I've got a piece here of the Artistry Blooms Designer Series paper, and I think this measures 3/4 of an inch. And I'm just going to stick one to the other all the way to the end, as you can see. And this is going to be the belly band that keeps our sweeties inside. Come on, Tombo. I think it's getting near the end of my Tombo, so I'm going to have to go and bring another one upstairs. I've got tons of Tombo. Last year there was a deal and I stocked up on Tombo like there was no tomorrow. Okay, so there we go. Just give that a thing. Now this is going to be our belly band. Now I'm not going to give you measurements of where to score because everyone's sweets might be different, you know, whatever. So all I'm going to do is wrap this round, and I want it to be about halfway through the back. So start at the back about halfway, wrap it round until about there, where I'm going to just cut it off if I can find some scissors. Here they are. Okay, so get rid of that bit, we don't need it. Now you'll be able to see from our wrapping that we've got some pinch points, and these are going to be our score lines. So you're just going to find where you pinched it as you went round and reinforce that score line like that. And here's the other one. Just make sure you keep everything straight. Reinforce that. Reinforce that one. And then this one is the last one. Okay. So that's going to fit over our box like that. Okay. You know, making sure you keep everything straight. So all I'm going to do on the end here is put some snail, which keeps running away from me today. And then all I'm going to do is take this and wrap this round again, making sure everything's nicely lined up like that. And then on the centre bit here, I'm going to put some Tombow, and then I'm going to put this all down inside my oops, let it take before you move it. There we go. And then just give it a press down here. And then that can go back in. And then you've got your little wallet like this. So now we're going to do some, I'm going to try and attempt to tie a bow again. I've been trying to attempt to tie bows all day without much success, so we'll see how this one goes. Okay. Ugh. As you can see, I'm not having a lot of luck, but I'll persevere. How are you with tying bows? Do you struggle? I think I struggle because I've always struggled with my left and my right. I'm not sure, not totally sure why. I think it's because they don't make any sense to me for some reason. Mainly because I'm not normal in respect of that. I write with my right hand, but if I am having my watch, it's on my left arm. If I'm carrying my bag, I carry it as a left-handed person. If I'm eating, I use my knife in my left hand. I slice with my left hand. Yeah, so it's a bit mixed up, so I think that's why I struggle with sometimes with left and right with bows, because don't follow my logic, my weirdo logic. And I'm going to retie this because I didn't get it very tight. And you want it to hold, besides looking decorative, you want it to hold the box closed. You could of course put a belly band around the outside as well, close it with a magnet closure, whatever really floats your boat. That will do for now. So let's do some stamping. So we're going to get a scrap piece of Whisper White, which I've just put away, so I'll get it back out again. Here we go. And the stamps that we're going to use is this one called Fancy Phrases, and I'm going to just get this, so it says, this one that says a little something for you, because I think that's very apt. Okay. And then just ink this up. Ink is, keep saying Raspberry Ripple, but it's not, it's Blackberry Bliss. Don't know why I keep saying Raspberry Ripple. Haven't got a clue. Okay, a little something for you, which is fine. Okay, and let's clean this up, because I always find these red pigmented inks get absolutely everywhere and cause mayhem in their wake. So let's just clean up before we have a problem. I'm going to use this punch. This is a rectangular postage stamp punch, just to punch this out. There we go. Close that up. Put that aside. And let's just, while we're thinking about it, put the ribbon back on this one. Shouldn't be too hard, says me thinking, because there's no sweeties inside, and as I struggle. But there we go. A little something for you. So let's put this up here. Let's again put it the right way down here with some snail. This is just sticking paper to paper. So there we go. And then we want a little bit of bling, because we always need a bit of bling in our lives, don't we? So we're going to use some of these rhinestones here. And I'm just going to dab them around. I'm going to use this last small one I have here on the dot of the eye of something. Okay, there you go. What do you think? It's a cute little treat. I don't think it looks too bad. If you liked it, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any more information about this project, links to my online shop, supply list, etc., it's all on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. That includes the link to my Facebook group where I host a monthly online card club, so please do check that out. Thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!